Hello everyone, and this is how you want to maintain your Android device. So usually it's just like computer or car, you need some maintenance to make do some maintenance in order to keep your device clean and running smoothly as possible. So first of all, what you want to do is check your desktop for any unnecessary icons. This is just for you, so everything will be just more ordinarily. So icons you don't use, you can long press and delete from here, or long press and swipe up there to remove. So that's that. This will make your life just easier because it's not going to be as much icon on your home screen. It will make it easier for you. Now, I recommend at least one a week to restart your device, or if you don't have a restart, power off and power it back on. I really recommend that once a week. I have a reminder. I did a reminder that goes once a week. Reminds me to restart my device. That's one of the things that really helps your device to run smoothly and faster. I really recommend that every week. So you can find a day, Sunday, or find any other day, or make a reminder to restart that device. Especially if your device doesn't run smoothly, always recommend to first of all restart your device. Now, another thing I would recommend is to clear cache, clean cache, and you go into settings, go to storage. So every time it's differently. You can even search. So you maybe can even do cache data. You can go right through there, or if you don't have search, or you have different options. So storage. And it will take some time to calculate all of, it didn't take that long here, I see. So this is all your storage, one by one. We want to go to cached data right here. So I would recommend maybe once a month, especially if your device doesn't run smoothly and fast enough. But something like once a month or once every 2 months, something like that, to clear your cache. I really recommend that. So again, you're just gonna press on the cache data, and this will already ask you, this will clear cache data for all apps, and you can do OK, and that might take some time, but it will also make it run much smoother. Especially if you have, sometimes the cache data takes a huge portion of your storage, so I really recommend, in order to clean some of it, I'll do it right now because it's got really big, 2.5 gigabit. That's a lot, and I don't have much space, as you can see here, so why not clean it anyway? But even if you have enough space, I really recommend that to clean your cache. Now, there is another step you can do. That might take some time, so don't wait. Like you see right now, it only took place right now. It only took into effect right now. Now we have 0. Okay, sometimes it take a while, especially if it's a longer file. If you want to do something even bigger than that, so even deeper clean to your device, but that's really not always recommended because that might take a little while. But so go into apps, again, into settings, go into apps, and as you can see here, there is how much the app weighs, or how much storage it takes from your storage, how much storage is the capacity. So you have 75 megabytes, 500 usually. So you want to look for the higher ones. So let's say the camera one, that's a lot. You want to go into and see if you can clear. So if you have here on data, you have a huge portion, so you can clean a lot in here. So you see, we'll show you a different app. So there is nothing much you can do around here, but Emacs, let's say, for example, storage, and you have 2 megabytes you can clean. That's not a lot, but you can do that. App will work smoother. But the idea is that if you clear data, that's gonna sign you out and delete all of your data from that app. So it's not always recommended. And I do want to add that when you do cache clean, that is not wiping anything that you really need. So this is just files that system saved, but this is not really important. But if you do clear cache, sometimes it will be important, so you need to know that in advance. So let's take Audible. So there we have 500 megabytes, that's a lot, but you have a lot of data. What is it? It's books that I already download, so I don't want to do that. So you need to know. That's what I'm saying, it's not always recommended, only if you know what you're doing. Usually apps like Chrome, you see Chrome has a lot of so 200 megabytes, and you can clean manage space, and you can clean data, or what is it? All storage including cookies, see? So there is a lot of that over here. 300 megabytes, that's a lot. That's a good idea actually to clean it up, free up space. So this is what you actually want to do every once in a while. This is a great example of things that you want to clean every once in a while. So what else we have? So again, look for the one with a lot, like Gboard. You see how 100, maybe I would say more than 50 or more than 100 megabytes. You want to look into that. So that's the idea. Here you have 40 megabytes for Gboard. I'm not sure what it's all about. So you can definitely clean that. Not always recommended, again, because it's gonna reset all of your settings too. So not always recommended, man. Gmail, same idea, or Google. See, Google takes a lot of managed storage, and you can see there is a lot of. It's a good idea. Clear that data. I don't need that. Anyway, that's the main idea. Thank you.